Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of comfort and style. Today, we're stepping outside to discuss a truly remarkable addition to any home, the outdoor kitchen gazebo design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This isn't just about cooking al fresco, it's about elevating your outdoor lifestyle, creating a functional, beautiful, and enduring space for entertainment and relaxation. We'll delve into the fundamental aspects of these structures, explore their myriad benefits, provide practical advice on how to decorate them to perfection, and identify the essential items that will make your outdoor kitchen gazebo truly shine. So, let's begin our journey to redefine outdoor living. When we speak of outdoor kitchen gazebo design, we are referring to the intentional planning and creation of a dedicated culinary and entertainment area situated outdoors, specifically underneath a gazebo structure. A gazebo, by definition, is a freestanding or attached open-sided structure with a roof, typically found in a garden, park, or spacious yard. The outdoor kitchen component integrates all the functionalities of an indoor kitchen, or at least its essential elements, into this sheltered outdoor setting. This can range from a simple grill station with prep space to a comprehensive setup featuring sinks, refrigerators, ample counter space, and even pizza ovens. The design encompasses not only the architectural style of the gazebo itself, but also the layout of the kitchen appliances, the choice of materials for countertops and cabinetry, the integration of utilities such as water and electricity, and the overall aesthetic harmony with the surrounding landscape. It's a holistic approach to extending your home's living and entertaining capabilities into the fresh air, providing protection from the elements while offering a unique dining and social experience. The advantages of incorporating an outdoor kitchen gazebo into your property are extensive and multifaceted, contributing significantly to both your lifestyle and the value of your home. Firstly, a primary benefit is the extension of your living space. An outdoor kitchen gazebo effectively adds another room to your house, one that allows you to fully embrace outdoor living regardless of minor weather shifts. It provides a comfortable, shaded area for cooking, dining, and socializing, transforming an underutilized backyard into a vibrant hub of activity. This increased usable space is particularly valuable for entertaining guests. Instead of being confined to your indoor kitchen while preparing meals, you can now remain part of the gathering, interacting with friends and family as you cook. This seamless transition from indoor to outdoor entertaining fosters a more relaxed and inclusive atmosphere for all. Secondly, there's the notable advantage of enhanced entertainment capabilities. Imagine hosting barbecues, dinner parties, or casual get-togethers where all the culinary action takes place outdoors. With a dedicated cooking and prep area, along with convenient access to beverages and serving space, you can effortlessly cater to a crowd. This also helps in keeping cooking odors outside, a significant benefit when preparing dishes with strong aromas that might otherwise linger within your home. Thirdly, an outdoor kitchen gazebo can lead to lower energy bills during warmer months. Cooking indoors, especially during summer, generates considerable heat, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. By moving your cooking activities outside, you reduce the heat load on your indoor environment, potentially resulting in noticeable savings on your utility expenses. Furthermore, it adds significant value to your property. Outdoor living spaces, particularly well-designed and functional outdoor kitchens, are highly sought-after features in the real estate market. They indicate a luxurious and well-appointed home, appealing to potential buyers and providing a strong return on investment. It's a tangible upgrade that enhances your home's appeal and marketability. Finally, an outdoor kitchen gazebo offers protection from the elements. The gazebo structure provides essential shade from intense sun, making it comfortable to cook and dine even on the hottest days. It also offers shelter from light rain, ensuring your outdoor plans aren't easily disrupted by unexpected showers. With additional features like screens or curtains, you can also gain protection from insects, further enhancing comfort and usability. In essence, it creates a versatile and comfortable environment that encourages you to spend more time outdoors, enjoying your property to its fullest. Decorating your outdoor kitchen gazebo is crucial for transforming it from a mere functional space into a captivating extension of your home. The key is to blend functionality with aesthetics, creating an inviting and cohesive environment. Begin with thoughtful furniture selection. Choose comfortable, weather-resistant outdoor furniture that complements the style of your gazebo and overall outdoor aesthetic. This could include a dining set for al fresco meals, a lounge area for relaxation, or bar stools if you've incorporated a bar counter. Look for materials like wicker, teak, aluminum, or synthetic resins that can withstand outdoor conditions. Next, consider lighting. Proper lighting is essential for both functionality and ambience, especially for evening use. Incorporate a variety of lighting types. Overhead lighting, such as pendant lights or a chandelier, can illuminate the main cooking and dining areas. Task lighting above prep surfaces ensures safety and efficiency. String lights draped around the gazebo's perimeter or solar-powered lanterns can create a magical, festive atmosphere. Downlighting from the gazebo ceiling can also highlight architectural features and provide a soft glow. Textiles and soft furnishings play a significant role in adding comfort and visual appeal. Outdoor rated cushions, throw pillows, and even a durable outdoor rug can introduce color, texture, and warmth to the space. Choose fabrics that are UV-resistant and easy to clean to ensure longevity and maintain their vibrant appearance. Consider outdoor curtains or blinds for added privacy, shade, and a touch of elegance, which can also help protect from wind. Greenery and natural elements are vital for integrating the gazebo with its outdoor surroundings. Incorporate potted plants, herbs, or hanging baskets. Consider climbing vines on the gazebo's posts to soften its lines and create a lush, natural feel. A small herb garden conveniently located near the cooking area is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Finally, personal touches and decorative accents will make the space uniquely yours. This could include outdoor artwork, weather-resistant sculptures, decorative serving trays, or stylish planters. If your design allows, a portable fire pit can add warmth and a focal point for evening gatherings, or a water feature can introduce a calming auditory element. The goal is to create a cohesive design that reflects your personal style while maximizing comfort and usability. Equipping your outdoor kitchen gazebo with the right items ensures maximum functionality, efficiency, and enjoyment. The selection will depend on your specific needs, budget, and the scale of your design, but here are some essential and highly recommended items. At the core of any outdoor kitchen is the grill or cooking appliance. A high-quality built-in gas grill is a popular choice for its convenience and rapid heating. For those who enjoy a smoky flavor, a charcoal grill or a Kamado-style ceramic cooker can be a fantastic addition. Increasingly, outdoor pizza ovens are becoming a sought-after feature for a unique culinary experience. The choice here largely dictates the primary cooking style of your outdoor space. Countertops are indispensable for food preparation and serving. Durable, weather-resistant materials are paramount. Granite, quartz, concrete, stainless steel, and certain types of tile are excellent choices as they can withstand varying temperatures, moisture, and general wear and tear. Ample counter space is crucial for efficient workflow. A sink with running water significantly enhances convenience. It allows for washing hands, rinsing produce, and easy cleanup without needing to constantly go back indoors. Ensure the plumbing is properly installed for outdoor use, including frost-free options if you live in a colder climate. Outdoor rated refrigeration is a game-changer for keeping beverages chilled and ingredients fresh. A small outdoor refrigerator, mini fridge, or even a dedicated wine cooler can save countless trips back and forth to the indoor kitchen, making entertaining much smoother. Adequate storage solutions are vital for keeping your outdoor kitchen organized and clutter-free. Weatherproof cabinetry made from marine-grade polymer, stainless steel, or sealed hardwoods provides space for utensils, cookware, serving platters, and other essentials, protecting them from the elements. Drawers are particularly useful for smaller items and grilling accessories. Lighting, as mentioned before, is essential. Beyond general illumination, consider task lighting directly over the grill and prep areas, and ambient lighting to set the mood for dining and socializing. Lastly, don't forget the comfortable and durable seating. Whether it's a full dining table and chairs, a cozy lounge set, or a set of bar stools, providing comfortable seating encourages guests to linger and enjoy the outdoor environment. These foundational items, when chosen with quality and integrated thoughtfully into your gazebo design, will create an outdoor kitchen that is both a practical workspace and an inviting entertainment hub. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen gazebo design ideas to inspire you for your next project, each offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and ambience. 1. The rustic farmhouse gazebo kitchen. This design embraces natural materials and a charming, cozy aesthetic. Imagine a wooden gazebo with exposed beams and a stone-clad kitchen island. The countertops could be reclaimed wood or soapstone, and the cooking area might feature a large, classic barbecue grill alongside a smoker. Decorate with galvanized metal accents, string lights, and potted herbs in terracotta pots. Wrought iron seating completes the look, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for casual gatherings and hearty meals. 2. Modern minimalist steel gazebo kitchen. For a sleek and contemporary feel, this design utilizes clean lines and industrial materials. The gazebo structure itself would be crafted from powder-coated steel with a simple, flat roof. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, dark composite or concrete countertops, and integrated, handle-less cabinetry. LED strip lighting embedded within the gazebo frame provides a sophisticated glow. Furniture would be modern, perhaps black metal with simple, comfortable outdoor cushions, emphasizing functionality and uncluttered elegance. 3. Tropical Oasis Gazebo Kitchen. Transport yourself to a perpetual vacation with this vibrant design. A bamboo or dark-stained wood gazebo with a thatched or shingled roof sets the stage. The kitchen features colorful tile backsplashes, perhaps with a mosaic pattern, and a built-in grill. A mini fridge stocked with exotic beverages is a must. Decorate with lush tropical plants, vibrant outdoor fabrics, tiki torches, and perhaps even a small water feature to enhance the serene, resort-like ambience. 4. Mediterranean Courtyard Gazebo Kitchen. Evoke the charm of the Mediterranean with warm hues and textured materials. A stucco or stone-clad gazebo with archways and an aged tile roof. The kitchen would incorporate terracotta or natural stone countertops, a large, built-in pizza oven, and perhaps an open-air pantry with decorative wrought iron shelving. Adorn with mosaic patterns, climbing bougainvillea, and comfortable seating with patterned cushions, creating a delightful setting for leisurely meals. 5. Coastal Chic Gazebo Kitchen. This design brings the relaxed elegance of the seaside to your backyard. Think light-colored wood or white-painted gazebo structure, perhaps with latticework details. The kitchen area features white or light blue cabinetry, butcher block or light quartz countertops, and a marine-grade stainless steel grill. Decorate with nautical accents like rope details, lanterns, striped outdoor fabrics, and driftwood art. Comfortable Adirondack chairs or relaxed wicker seating enhance the breezy, relaxed vibe. 6. Industrial Urban Loft Gazebo Kitchen. Perfect for smaller urban spaces or those seeking a contemporary, edgy look. A metal-framed gazebo with a clear or corrugated polycarbonate roof. The kitchen would feature exposed brick or concrete finishes, black metal shelving, and sleek, commercial-grade appliances. Think a flat-top griddle alongside a charcoal grill. Industrial pendant lights, concrete planters, and minimalist seating complete this sophisticated and functional design. 7. Symphony of Stone Gazebo Kitchen. This design celebrates the timeless beauty and durability of natural stone. A robust gazebo constructed from local stone, perhaps with a pitched timber roof. The outdoor kitchen is fully integrated into the stone structure, featuring expansive granite or bluestone countertops, and a powerful built-in grill. A large stone fireplace or fire pit nearby creates a magnificent focal point. This design exudes solidity and permanence, ideal for grand outdoor entertaining. 8. Japanese Zen Garden Gazebo Kitchen. Create a tranquil retreat for mindful cooking and dining. A minimalist wooden gazebo with clean lines and a simple, elegant roof. The kitchen features dark, natural wood cabinetry, granite or basalt countertops, and subtle, integrated appliances. Incorporate elements like a raked gravel garden, bonsai trees, bamboo screens for privacy, and soft, indirect lighting. Seating could be low-profile benches with comfortable cushions, fostering a sense of peace and harmony. 9. The Pergola Gazebo Hybrid Kitchen. This innovative design combines the best of both worlds. A gazebo structure provides primary overhead protection for the main kitchen area, while an adjoining pergola extends the shaded living space, perhaps covering a dining or lounge area. This allows for both full sun protection over the cooking zone and dappled light for relaxation. Materials and aesthetics can be customized to any desired style, offering maximum flexibility and extensive outdoor living space. 10. The Entertainment Hub Gazebo Kitchen. This design is built for ultimate socializing. A large gazebo encompassing not only the kitchen but also a substantial bar area with multiple bar stools. The kitchen would include a large grill, a built-in fryer or a griddle, multiple beverage refrigerators, and even a draft beer dispenser. Integrated sound systems and outdoor televisions are key features. This is a space designed for lively parties and unforgettable gatherings, making the most of your outdoor entertainment potential. As we conclude our exploration of outdoor kitchen gazebo designs, it's clear that these structures are far more than just covered cooking spaces. They are transformative additions that redefine how we interact with our outdoor environments. From the simple act of enjoying a meal al fresco to hosting elaborate gatherings, an outdoor kitchen gazebo enhances every aspect of your outdoor living experience, offering comfort, convenience, and unparalleled style. If you're looking to elevate your home's outdoor appeal and create a truly unique space for relaxation and entertainment, consider the immense potential of an outdoor kitchen gazebo. The investment in such a feature pays dividends not only in property value but, more importantly, in countless memorable moments with family and friends. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own outdoor living projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert advice and creative ideas on transforming your living spaces. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our new videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your outdoor kitchen gazebo designs in the comments section below.